Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be creating this look. So this is my version of everyday, not really everyday, a little bit special, like a natural glam fall makeup look. And in today's video I also used a lot of Becca products because Becca recently launched on Nykaa, which is so amazing. So I thought that this will be a great way to sharing those with you in case you are interested to buy any of them. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. To moisturize, I am going to use the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Grapeseed Hydrating Double Essence, the serum and moisturizer in one. I ordered it recently and I've just used it twice, and my first impressions on this is that I'm loving it, and the reason is that it is not breaking me out. Usually any new products, like my skin is really sensitive, so I do break out pretty easily with new skincare products, but this one is not, and also it is so moisturizing. For the primer, I am going to use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is an illuminating primer. So I recently got this Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir sample size. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of this in with the backlight filter. Look at that glow. It's so good. This has little shimmer particles, but it's not really visible on the skin. Since I do use this a lot, I want to say that the maximum of the glow that is on my skin is from this stuff. So for the foundation, I am going to use the Physicians Formula The Healthy Foundation in the shade MW2. This is my favorite foundation, especially around fall and winter, because it's not at all drying. On my dry skin, it's rather really hydrating, which is beautiful and is also very glowy. So for the concealer, I am going to use the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. I don't know the shade name of it, unfortunately, but what I can tell you is it is a little bit darker for my skin tone. As you can see, this concealer has such a thin consistency and also leaves luminosity on my skin. Now to lighten it up a bit, I am going to use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW10. I don't want to get another shade of this concealer, a lighter shade, because I do really love this concealer. But this particular concealer is not available on Nykaa, which is shitty because I love this concealer. To blend it out, I am going to use the Real Techniques contour brush. I will also take it on my lid. To set my face, I am going to use the Becca Hydra Mist Powder. Now, I did purchase this recently from Nykaa. I was really excited about this because everyone was like, even if you don't purchase it, just go ahead and touch it. It feels like water. Well, it does not. I don't know why everyone says that, but if you touch it, it just feels like powder. But I have tried it and I love it. It is so lightweight. I have used it on my skin. It just I don't know, it just goes somewhere. You just can't see it on your skin. It's stunning. It is like a traceless powder almost. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera, for which I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil as always, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in medium brown. To bronze, I am going to use the Becca Cosmetics Sunlit Bronzer in Capri Coast. By the way, this is the Real Techniques blush brush. Now I'm gonna grab an eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna use the same bronzer on my eyes. And that is pretty much going to be my eye look. I really do not grab for eyeshadow palettes for like everyday makeup looks. I will just use my bronzer or my blush as my eyeshadow pretty much. And that just ties in the look pretty nicely. I'm just going to use the same brush and the same bronzer. And I'm going to run it underneath my eyes as well. For the blush, I am going to go into the Becca Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, this ain't available anymore. Becca and Jaclyn Hill broke their collab. Champagne Pop no more belongs to Jaclyn Hill, which is so sad because my first ever makeup product from Becca was Champagne Pop, and that was because of Jaclyn Hill. So I'm gonna mix in these two shades together for my blush. Now these are pretty pigmented, I want to say. So these are like supremely glowy powders. Before going in with highlighter and mascara, I am going to set my face using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist. It gives me a ton of glow that nothing else does. It's my favorite of all time. Perfect for fall and winter because it hydrates my skin. It is available on cultbeauty.co.uk. Order it. You won't regret it. I usually leave my eyes like this, but for the purpose of this video, I might go in with something shimmery. I'm gonna grab this NYKaa Eyes on Me palette and I'm just gonna use this champagne shade just a little bit right onto the center of my lid and blend it out. Not using a lot. For the mascara, I am going to use a new mascara. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Track Volumizing Mascara. I recently ordered this from Goddess Beauty. So yeah, this is my first time trying it. But the wand is pretty impressive. These are the kind of wands I usually like. So, and guys, I will leave a link to all of these products in the description bar below. So in case you want to buy any. So for the highlighter, I am going to use the obviously Becca and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I will also highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Well, I could have used this as my lid shade instead of the eyeshadow. Would have been perfect. Now I'm going to use the MAC Extended Clay Mascara for my lower lash line. So the lipstick is what will make it really fall appropriate. I don't know the shade name of this lip color, but I will definitely link it in the description bar down below if you guys want to check it out. Can you guys see what a difference a lip color makes? This just made it fall instantly. So that is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you feel about the look. Let me know what you feel about the lip color. And let me know if you are going to purchase any of the Becca products. I will be interested to know that. If you liked it, then please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more beauty content coming for you guys. A hint in the festive makeup looks. So hit the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And that's it for the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.